A new plan to keep King County safe includes the pairing of dogs and drones. They've always had the support of the King County Sheriff's Office helicopter, Guardian 1, but now drone pilots are on board training with the dogs. KOMO's Denise Whitaker takes us inside one of their late-night trainings you'll see only on KOMO.
Walk up here.
Drones now play a key role in arrests made by King County deputies. And now the pilots are flying inside, training with canine teams. The dog sniffs out the bad guy, then returns to safety while the drone keeps watch.
He's coming out, his hands are empty.
The alternative is we have to actually put deputies up there to see what the dog is seeing, and now they're in danger.
In between that gap is where we last saw him.
Sergeant Eric Gagnon tells me the goal is to always have a drone or the Guardian 1 helicopter overhead every time one of their 12 canine patrol teams is out on the scene. Weekly training keeps everyone sharp. In the beginning, it took some work to get the dogs used to the drones.
Yeah, initially it's an unnatural object flying above the dog, and these dogs are very confident, and so their natural response is to snatch it and break it.
Drones also displace a lot of air, but notice how Vuki goes right to the seam of the doors to get a good whiff.
There might be some air disturbance that's occurring, but the dogs overcome it because of their training. We're trying to, set the conditions for the very best outcome.
Last year, King County's canine teams made 103 arrests, and only 5 of those required the dog to use force. Sergeant Gagnon tells me he's very proud of how low that statistic is and how hard his teams train to keep it that way. In Seattle, Denise Whitaker, KOMO News.